na sempo obi won ma wo so konsrahwe ane adeade ewo saa man mienu so no wo bekwa akoduru na nya fe ne wo kwakoto credit ana sempo de ne e kan se unity no bebrebe ane hu data ansan watumi ene nabusua ana sempo na dofo adi nkomo won wo kire se we nyina ka brafo neoma yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia wo paso wode ba ne wiase nyina ye kurukuru wa no Ghana ya so yetume ka ho bie no eno eka ho bi wo se we kura no ene ECOWAS eka wo mani so de huru wo mobotaye ene wo mo hyehye ho nti wo hu ne se so ma Ghana ye ne sa man mienu kabom ne eto sa kese no a ebeboa ma adwumafo ho atumi ahenha wo mo ebra Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia telecell adwumako ye ne wo ma beboaze e wo ma Ghana mu na wo mo bia no wa mamra kwa so wo na no nyam kwata akire bie no ene okoto na no mutuo esisi de kire Ghana fo.
In 2016, Ghana's free roaming services agreement with Côte d'Ivoire in June 2023 presents the first such arrangement. Ghana has also signed an agreement with Togo to begin free roaming services between the two countries this year. The National Communications Authority is also engaging Benin and the Gambia to establish similar free roaming bilateral agreements.
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia na yetenin king. Na yaka sensu yewra John Dramani Mahama ya wono to Frank Adiama ndisi amanyoko no kane mampanyi ogusu ada ya wo bonto asane ebeye na Ghana fo abegine die enam so ama wodene to abono akokopie mu ewo nkramantamu aya building Ghana tour ene ogusu ada ya woko ewo no ode akokoto dwa akira se nyame yadom na wobetena akonya so ade abrofo kasa mu ye kan se self reliant economy wobere se be betumi aba o ma Ghana mu eno no ayase ekwan foforo so kora ye o man no ye bade ye ho ewo ye sika semu ne nko ba sedano da nyina no ye bada nkrofo ye la sulala ansa na wo mama ye bibia di wo se sa de no na ha mampanyi na do ontumi si gina ye kase emfa ma o man no ye sika semu ntumi nyina so eno ntitiri nti na da nyina no LGBTQ+ emra ye ne wo so ne sasa ase no asa twetwere ne buo wo no ase wo san ase wo nsan wo ototo papa so no wo se nyame ye adom no wo betena konya so a sene ye be na Ghana ye sika sembe gina yie wo bi hyehyɛ sabio emra emfa mo man no maye ni suo nti wo bere se economy no wo be me na gina pintin na aboa ma Ghana ya kwakoya anim.
It is now an issue of legislative and legal issues. Parliament has done its work. According to the majority leader, the bill has not landed on the president's table, but indications we are getting is that he says he won't sign it because somebody has filed a suit with the Supreme Court. So it's become entangled with some legalese. Reverend S.N. Mensah talked about it a few days ago, and what he said has gone viral. But we'll just continue to watch and see what happens. But this is what the reason for being self-reliant is. If you are not self-reliant, that's when people can dictate to you. If we were self-reliant, nobody will come and ask us to do this or to do that. And so one of the key economic policies we must pursue is one of self-reliance. And it's been done in this country before. For those of us who are old enough, we remember General Ike Achampon's time. Operation Feed Yourself, Operation Feed Your Industries. Self-reliance was the aim that this government was pursuing.
I was so worried. I can't remember John Dramani Mahama or no cray. And I was so better Franca, a diama NDC, Amanyukuno. Yatua and some no as so now, send your dana Daniel, my gun, I'm not savage of fear. One more quarter, I say, yeah, no so subjourney at a form mine on impuntu and can't call no. Another dear so a big course, ah, yeah, no savage of 4 quarters, now one more general my gun, and can't call so.